Hey brats, this is Nishan here, and today I'm going to make a challenge in extreme car driving that I have to get as much as tokens as possible. So that is for today in 10 minutes, 10 and 15 minutes approximately. And to help me here we have Shayan and Ganesh. So let's get started, but before that I want to make this one challenge. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start and I have to get all the checkpoints. It's impossible without a sugar berry. And here you go, one more taken. Not aware about this game. You can play this game also. This is a very nice game. So you can get this in the App Store, in your App Store, and this is free. No need to pay any money like other apps, like other games. Oh, there's a shortcut there, but we'll use this way. But in Minecraft we have to pay a bit. Yeah, there are some games like that. Okay, so enough of all this. Let us. Okay, what popped up? I actually don't want to do this mission, but I don't know how to finish it. I think we should finish. Yeah, we have to finish fully and then only I do. Okay, yeah, fine, no problem. We'll just finish it soon. Because I don't want to. Yeah, because we have to do more lesson than that. Then the video will be long. Dragging it, we have to then okay, so we have one here. Yeah. We have to go again and oh, this time it's there. So I have to take the shortcut and pull back because it was very high. But now it is broken. I should have just landed on that. That is also no problem. But bad luck. And upon that, this thing goes still back. Still back. In this game, even you can fix your car. Yep. So no problem. So taking tension of this braking, no problem. So if you like this Lamborghini car, so you want to keep it neat. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! That's a nice one. Oh, they made this. What? It is still there. One more hour. It not touch it. Okay, we touch that behind. We did not touch. This mission is very tough. I want to quit this. Yeah. I can't quit it for some reason. Wait. We can leave challenge. Oh my god. Okay, sorry brats. Let's now go to our real mission which we have to do. Going to get all the tokens. We have to take car tickets. Oh, we already had that. No, so we'll take it. We have to take. But we have no time. So we have to go quickly, as quick as possible. Where? To the off-road. Oh! Oops, sorry man. I'm just a crazy driver. Okay. Oops, sorry again. We are in a hurry. And this is a Lamborghini, man. You can't control the speed. We are YouTubers. We have to make our brats very happy. Oh! Where did he come from? And he's not even being seen. He went very high. There is a airport and we don't want that boat to be there anymore. And this is the hill which we were looking for. And near this hill where the game was being sucked. Yeah, there this was. Okay. It became night. Yep, we had started here.
Oh my god.
Yep,
was a
right
big
here.
ride.
This ads, there are so many ads. And I hate it.
These are not ads.
Yep, they are. But there are different types. And this radar one, I hate it. It is here. So there is an off-road way here, I believe. Okay, it's here this way. And if you go on off-road, it is literally impossible to keep your car undamaged. So remember that first. Ooh, there's one token already waiting for us. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
yeah.
got it.
God.
Oh, there are so many tokens. They're like stars.
Yeah, twinkling.
One here. Got it.
Come on.
And one. Oh. Okay, no problem. We'll go to the next one and we'll take that later. We don't have time, man. We are busy YouTubers.
Yeah.
Let us get that one because here there is no way. And there's an ad coming.
These are
Why? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Escaped from the ad. Got it. So close. Just 1 centimeter away.
Not centimeter, inch.
Inches. City board, not in the city anymore.
But again.
Oh yeah. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby.
You take that. But where are all the stars?
They are there.
Wow.
And
Oh.
it just touched my tire. What do you think? We are fools? You made this game. You think we are fools? Huh? It touched our tire, okay? Don't you understand?
Yeah. They can't hear us.
If I just
go. Just
fine, got it.
can't.
Maybe they listen to us really. Got it. An ad. Seriously, man.
Like, what are
Seriously.
you think that this is going to work?
Oh, this skip option.
You didn't see that.
Oh yeah.
No, wait, you see that?
How to get out of this thing? Okay. Yeah, I don't know.
Actually stuck.
Sorry, Lambo. We are trying to thrash you up.
Oh.
If you don't know this game, there's actually a game called Bus Simulator Ultimate. So if you haven't downloaded that game, go check it out in your app store right now. That is actually like a realistic game, a bus driving game. So whoever is like a fan or they love bus driving games, and that might be an option.
Oh, it does that. If you like
Yeah,
shooting
these people
games,
are some dumb.
if you like
now
shooting games, a nice one. Shooting games, if you love shooting games, you can even play Free Fire. That's a very nice game.
What?
Oh, we should
What?
jump, go straight, and put this jump option.
What? Why did this work? Okay, maybe I have to come from this way. Oops. Just 10 kilometers per hour. 10. Irritating ads.
Why
I
do they
won
come?
this lucky toss 3D only in 10 days. Oh, well, what a hurry.
For taking my iPhone. Wow. Have to go through this hill.
And it became morning.
Yes.
Wow.
We like morning more than night.
Get away. Ready, 3, 2, 1. We have
Let's go from that way.
Yeah,
And
maybe
you
that's
go straight. Is tired. The Lambo is tired.
never tired. He's a Red Bull.
See, like this.
See how he's jumping like
He's
crazy,
jumping
man.
like crazy, but he's crashing
Go,
like
go,
crazy.
go, please,
Go,
please.
go. For going,
Okay, so we have come till here. Where is the token?
the token is
Oh,
gone.
okay.
And go straight. Stop.
Yeah, we have to go in full speed. Oh,
That's okay. That's nice.
see the car here. And you see the number plate? It is simulator. What kind of number plate is this? A simulator? Where is the KA03 or TN45 or whatever?
Or Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah,
JK or whatever.
where is the tokens? They were shining like stars. Oh yeah, it means it because it is morning now and we can't see stars.
Cars have been seen everywhere.
ना जाने कैसा है. Where is the cars which is slowly dying?
Cars are very.
They are all going
there are so
out
many
of
cars
here.
in this place.
I don't think I saw a car ticket here. Danish is saying he saw one.
Yes, something was glittering here.
Okay, maybe here one. Okay, go,
It's
go,
like
go,
a spike.
go, go. Is there no? There one. Oh,
Trembling.
People will be thinking, is this a what kind of person is he? A Lamborghini, man. You have to pay some money for that, and you are thrashing it up like this. Don't you have common sense?
And where
Oops,
was
oopsie doopsie.
Where's the ticket?
Okay, we'll go check there from the top view again.
No.
Yep, that's
No
happening.
chance.
That's happening.
What? This Lamborghini is very delicate. But somewhere the ticket was. We saw it. Oh my god. This side. Oh my god. I saw it this side. Yeah, up. I think so.
No, not on the hill for sure. But yeah, this was
There
safety.
were many of them.
Yeah, when where did all go?
Look what. At least one has to be seen. Yes. But not even one is seen.
Okay, let us now not waste any more time and just thrash this car.
It's very easy.
Oh, okay.
Okay, back.
Oh, on
Okay.
that
Oh.
hill. On that hill.
No. was back, I
No, man. Should be like eagle. I mean, see that?
Yeah.
See that?
Awesome.
Jinx, boom.
Awesome,
See that?
man.
Okay. Get slowly. Oh,
Okay.
done.
You like Bruce Lee, guys? You can see even a movie called Karate Kid.
And he likes boom. See that?
Even there. He tells every time he likes Kung Fu. So he wants to do Kung Fu. He wants to learn Kung Fu.
What a chance. And missed it by me. Mr. Nishan Gadi, who's the dumbest person. Hey, I'd not say that. I'm the best in the car driving you.
And why did you do this?
Yeah, it happens in the off-road. Oh yeah,
Oh
I'm the best in taking the tokens.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
oh.
sure. That's for sure.
Yes, see that? Even Shian is accepting that.
I'm not praising you. I'm praising the brats.
Okay, fine, let's not waste time only on
Taking the
Okay, now I just understood that we can come from here and we can go
What
from
an
there.
idea. What my side.
Yeah, thanks, man.
By Nishan Gardi.
This ad.
Ad. You think that it's an ad? It's just button pressing.
Okay, just a minute.
Wait.
1 minute is going to
In the next video, let's keep that you should not have any grip
of
in
the
the next video.
But I'm just going to give an intro, like a trailer.
Okay.
This is how it will be when you put no grip in your tires.
Yeah.
If you turn off the TC. And this will
You
be
see
best
that
in
will
this.
give you TC. That's it.
Okay.
That's the grip option. Oh no, that was very close.
Okay guys, I think the video has gone too long. I hope everyone is safe and healthy again.
I think
This was the end of the video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, then smash that like button. And if you want to see more future videos, then click that subscribe button too. And this is Nishan, Shayan and Tanish signing out for the day today.